Alright, how's it going, guys? So, I got something new in the mail today that I've been waiting for a couple weeks. I finally bought the GT Thunder Hess Link, the MX version. I don't know if it says it. But, I'm gonna put this on today. I'm gonna take some measurements and stuff, some before and after. Christy here is going to record for me, so figure I'd let you guys follow along. And it looks like a really easy install, but I just want to do kind of before and after for the ride height to the bumper with weight on it and weight off of it and all that good shit. So just follow along and check it out. So first we're gonna I'm gonna sit on it and get some measurements. You want to measure, Christy?
Yep.
So I measured it already. With me not sitting on it, it's 31.5. What do we got?
About 28.
Right to the top?
No, to the top is...
Let's say 28.5?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll call that 28.5. So just throw this down. So I already took all the nuts off the bolts and everything. So I'm going to jack it up to where I can get the bolts out. Just trying to relieve the pressure off the suspension right now. There, it's getting pretty loose. There we go. So there's one back one off. There's my shock one off. And this is the last one. There's the last one to the linkage. So now this old one. Yep. So here's the old link. Let's compare them real quick. So it's been like about 2 years since I powder coated everything. And I'm surprised. Usually this gets beat to hell and I don't have any skid plate or anything. But just barely starting to take the powder off. I'm pretty happy with that. So on this link, your caps you have to reuse. Right here. I believe that too. Swap all this stuff over real quick. A werewolf?
Sounded like it.
Alright, so this is supposed to be, looks like the biggest difference, this hole's a little bit different, and this hole is a little bit different. I don't know if you can see in there, like, just a little off there. I got this one pretty much lined up straight. This one's just a little off. And this one, here, hold that for a second. This one here, just a little off too. So, not a huge difference, but I mean, they sell them for a reason, right? We'll see. That's kind of why I want to do like a before and after. See what this does after sitting on it with this on. So simple as that, this is ready to go back on now. So I'm gonna get the shock one in first. Try to reach here. Kind of hard to reach. Oh, I got the wingspan. Alright, that one will hold it up anyways. Wipe some of this dirt and shit off. That one's in. Can't tell which way I gotta go with that one. Like maybe jack it up a little more. Maybe down.
Looks good right there.
Really?
Yeah. Right there looks good.
Okay, but I'm stuck on my jack bar over here.
Oh.
Tell me again. Right
Yep.
there.
Yep.
Alright. So, it's on. Everything besides just putting the nuts back on, so I'm going to let the jack all the way down. So, go ahead and measure here. Like I said, I measured before and it was at 31.5 to the top of the grab bar. So 30 3/4. So that's already 3/4 of an inch lower. Here, you want to measure when I sit on it again?
Yep.
It feels lower.
Was it 28.5?
I think so.
Looks like maybe 28.
So just a little bit lower, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So just sitting there, it's already dropped 3/4 inch. But an extra 1/2 inch when I sit on it.
Yeah.
So not bad. It feels lower sitting on it. You wouldn't think you'd notice, but you definitely do. So I'll just get all these nuts started again. So, here, let me see that real quick. Just give you a look at it installed here before it gets all bashed up. Looks nice. So, anyways, that's a quick little video. It's installed. About 3/4 inch. Normal ride height from where I was at. All stock suspension. My springs are all as loose as they go for the spring tension ride height. And then my valving's pretty much all the way soft. So I guess anybody who's curious what it'll do, putting that Hess GT Thunderlink on for baseline without riding it, I mean, it's cool. I like it. Looks nice. Lowers it a little bit anyways. So let me know what you think, and subscribe for more. We'll see you later.